In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to wall jump in Jujutsu Shenanigans on Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly perform wall jumps and wall runs in Jujutsu Shenanigans if you are playing using an Xbox controller. Now, the first thing that you have to do is enable auto run. This is important because if you want to perform a wall jump, you need to be running towards the wall. Instead of doing this manually every single time, you can go over to the in-game menu. So click on this little gear icon over here, and then one of the options is going to be auto run. Make sure that this is enabled. It's going to make the process much easier. So after you enable auto run, you will be able to run towards any wall and actually get the motion down. You will notice that I am doing this process on my PC, so it is going to look visually different, but don't worry, the process is still going to be described as if you were playing using only an Xbox controller. So all that you have to do now is find a suitable wall, and then you will be able to wall jump or wall run by running towards it, holding the jump button, in this specific case A, and then moving the joystick in the direction of the wall. Lastly, I recommend that you enable shift lock, so press down on the D-pad. This will fix the camera for you and it helps a lot. Now, all that you have to do is run towards the wall, and while holding the jump button, aka A, you will be able to move your joystick towards the direction of the wall. So in this case, my character is grabbing the wall to his left, so I'm holding my joystick to the left while holding the jump button, and you will be able to launch yourself in the opposite side of the wall. If you are grabbing the wall from your right side, you would be moving your joystick to the right. Now, this is how you perform a basic wall jump. If you have multiple structures, you can jump between them and so on. Now, if you want to wall run, this is going to be a little bit more difficult because you have to get a very specific angle. You still have to hold the jump button and move your joystick towards the side of the wall, but like I said, the angle needs to be super specific. So as you saw in that case, I was able to get a lot of distance, but not enough height. So as long as you position yourself perpendicular to the wall, you should be able to get the wall run, like you saw there. It should be something like this. So just run forward, hold the joystick to the left or the right, and then while holding the jump button, you will be able to jump alongside the wall or away from it, depending on how you want to jump. I hope I was able to help you on how to wall jump in Jujutsu Shenanigans Roblox Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.